Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe down below. Also you guys, I wanted to personally tell you guys that I'm sorry that I have not been on YouTube for a while. I promise that I will be uploading a lot more videos. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you have any questions at all, please comment down below or just show me some love. Show me that you're there. Show me that you're watching my video. I love to see your comments. I would love to see comments from all of you. And yeah, if you're ready to recreate this look using only drugstore products, please go ahead and keep watching. Alright my love, so we're gonna get started with our primer. Here I'm using MILANI's Prime Light, and I do like to apply a lot on my face because my face is very dry. And yeah, this primer is like a dewy, so if you want more of a matte look, they do have a primer in matte. And as always, I am not being sponsored, you guys. This is just one of my favorite items. Okay, so next we're gonna get started with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. Now I know we're in winter time. Usually in the summer we like to use more of shimmery look, but since my face is dry, like I said earlier, I do like to use a lot of dewy foundation. So it's all up to you guys, and I love how much coverage this foundation has and how smooth it goes on my face. So just make sure that you take your time when you're blending it. And next we're going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. This concealer is in the color Sand. So far it has worked for me. I love the Maybelline Master Conceal, but I noticed that, I don't know if they stopped making it, but they didn't have it in stock, so I'm trying out the Fit Me. And yeah, I noticed that it has a lot of coverage, as you guys can see here. I usually like to use the LA Pro Girl Orange Concealer first, and then I like to apply my normal concealer. But since this was going to be a very quick and easy look, I just wanted to keep it as simple as possible for you guys. Now just make sure you take your time blending your concealer out. Here I am speeding it up, but just take your time so it doesn't look cakey. Alright, so here I'm using the AIRSPUN translucent powder. This by far has been my favorite translucent powder to bake under my eyes, and I usually put a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, on my face as well. So yeah, so this is a very affordable powder and it smells very flowery, and yeah, it works really good. Okay, so now we are gonna go with our bronzer. This one is by Wet n Wild, and this bronzer actually came in one of the packages from the Dragon, their Ice Dragon and Fire Dragon, and it's called Queensland. So yeah, so I'm applying that. Usually I like to apply my bronzer normally where people would contour. I'm not a contouring expert, as I have said in my previous videos, but yeah, this is just the way that it has worked for me so far. So if you want to skip this step, you can totally skip it and just contour how you normally would. Okay, so now we can remove the excess powder and we're gonna get started with our blush. This one that I'm using here is by MILANI, and the color is Coral Cove. It's a very pretty powder. I mean, it's a very pretty blush, sorry you guys. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but it kind of broke, but I'm still using it. It's so pretty and so pigmented. So yeah, if you're into that coral type of look, then I highly suggest this blush. And now we're gonna use my favorite highlighter by Wet n Wild. It's called Precious Petals. If you guys have seen my previous videos, I always use this highlighter. I'm truly obsessed. Wet n Wild did such a great job. The pigmentation is amazing, and the price, you can't beat it at all. So yeah, so I usually apply some on my cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose, and above my cheekbones. So here I decided to use NYX eyeshadow base. I applied this with my fingers and I noticed, oh my gosh, I applied way too much. But anywho, try to apply a little tiny bit. And now I'm going into Maybelline's The City Mini Palette, and I'm using this nude shade as a base for my eyelid. Okay, and now I'm going into the NYX Love You So Mochi palette. I hope I'm saying it right. And I'm gonna be going into this shade that is like a peachy orangey color, and I'm gonna be applying it all over my eyelid. Okay, so now I decided to switch over to a blending brush, and I'm still using the same exact shade, and I'm gonna be applying it on my crease to kind of outline my crease a little bit more with that color. Okay, so here I decided to switch to a buffering brush, and I sprayed it a little bit with my setting spray by MILANI, and I'm still going with the same shade as you guys can see here. I just wanted the shade to pop a little bit more. I felt like it wasn't showing barely on camera, so that's why I switched to a different brush, and I wet the brush, and now I'm using a little mirror just to do it more precisely. So yeah, all we're doing is using the same shade. So if you want to make it more bold, then you can do this step. If you want it more subtle, then you can just skip this step. Okay, so now that I like the way it looks on my eyelid, I decided to add it to my lower waterline. You don't have to do this step, you can totally skip it. I just like how it looks under my waterline. So yeah, so just take your time while you're applying it, and this is what it looks like so far up close, as you can see. So right here I'm just showing you that I used NYX Super Skinny Marker as my black eyeliner. I put it off camera just to make it quicker, and I'm showing it to you guys up close. And now we're ready for our brows. Here I'm using Maybelline's Brow Drama in the color Soft Brown. As I've said in my previous videos, my eyebrows are very thick, so I just like to go over it a little bit with a brow gel, and then I like to brush them out just to, you know, keep them in place and give them a little bit more of color. And now we're using the MILANI AMORE Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in the color Precious number 11. I highly recommend this lipstick because it does not transfer when you kiss, and also it barely transfers when you're eating. You can try it out. It's matte, and it's very similar to the Stila lipstick that I had before, except the price is completely different. It is not $20-something. I think this lipstick is less than $10, and you can find it at CVS. I am not being sponsored, you guys, do not forget. It's just my favorite. So now we're going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. This setting spray, I bought it as a trial. I just wanted to try it out and see. But my favorite one so far is the MILANI setting spray. I am never switching it for now. And yeah, now I'm showing you my finished look up close, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys. I love loves. So this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. I decided to do a voiceover because I wanted it to be more of a quick video for you guys. Pretty soon I will do a get ready with me video where I will be talking to you guys. Also, if you want to see a life update video, I can do that as well, since I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I think it's been about a month or so. So any questions that you have, if you follow me on Instagram, AngieMoon0701, please submit any questions at all, DM me, and I will make sure that I answer your questions. Also, I will be doing a poll on my Instagram. I'm gonna be having you guys choose my next video, if it's gonna be, you know, a life update or something about health. I'll let you guys choose which one is gonna be the next one. So as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below. I promise I will not let you guys down. If you're not into makeup, I will be expanding my YouTube channel and talking about health tips, mom tips, wife tips, life in general, health. Just overall, I want to expand my channel. I don't want to just do makeup, because I know that not a lot of you know, like to wear makeup all the time. So just to let you guys know, please subscribe down below and I will not let you down. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.